guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be setting up my seed starting system for my garden. Later this month I'll be starting onions and peppers, and then as the spring progresses we'll be starting more things. And I wanted to be really organized this year and have a good system, so I went and I bought a wire like shelving rack, as well as some lights. I didn't buy like grow light specific lights, but I did some research and figured out what I needed to basically do the same thing, and it cost a little bit less. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you everything that I got and kind of what my plan is, and then we'll get to building. Alright, so I am in my basement right now, and here is the shelf that I got, and this is where I'm gonna put it. It's right next to the door to go outside, and you can see my garden there in the background. I'll do a tour of that later. But as you can see, it's a 5-shelf metal storage rack. Pretty basic, but it's really all I need. So I got this at Walmart actually for $38, and I think it was on like clearance or something, but I thought it was a pretty good deal. So I got that, and then I was doing research on how to kind of like make your own grow lights or like set up your own seed starting system. So I came across Gary Pilarchik's video, I believe that's his name, and I'll link it below. It's The Rusted Gardener, I think. But he kind of went through and detailed about how to kind of set up your own grow light system. So that's what I did. I just got these shop lights, which is just the fixture. Then I got the proper light bulb, which is a T8 bulb. It is 4 feet, and it has 2900 lumens and 6500 Kelvin, which was in that range that is best for grow lights for seeds. So I also got some more seeds at my garden center, as well as some little pruners, and then some tags. So these will probably just go outside, but I didn't have any, so I figured I would pick some up. And then I also got just these trays. They're not perforated, but I'm gonna set them like on the shelves and then set my like nursery pots in the trays. And I also got, I have a hood like this already, but I wanted to get one more for when your seeds are germinating. So that's kind of all the stuff that I have. So I'm gonna set you guys up and kind of clean out this area, and then set this rack up, and then set the lights up. So let's see how this goes.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled.
Okay, here we have it, all set up. I have my rack, and then I have attached my lights onto the rack. This is what they came with, this little chain. I guess it's pretty secure, but I might look into figuring out a way to make sure that that's secure, because I don't know, it would suck if they fell on the plants, but I think it's fine, so I won't worry about that for right now. But in here, in this shop light, it has 2 receptacles, but I only have one in, mostly because I just wanted to see how bright it was, and it looks like it's really bright. So I might actually just leave one bulb in and see what happens. As y'all saw earlier, I have my trays. I got 6 of them because I figured with the 5 shelves, I'll put lights on 3 of them. My Lowe's only had 1 or 2 shop lights, so I just bought them both, and I'll get this one probably later on when I starting more things, but as of right now I think these 2 will be plenty. So the second shelf, same thing. I have just 1 bulb in there. I have my 2 trays. So I need to get some nursery pots to put in these trays. I haven't really found any that I like. I just want some basic plastic ones that I can reuse every year. What I do have though is this. When I bought Starts last spring, I saved these, and so I think I'm actually gonna disinfect these and use these for my onions, so I have more time to find other ones. So I have 3 of these, so 18 cells total. So I think actually, no, I have 4 of these. So 24 cells. So I think that will probably be plenty for the onions until I can find some more. So yeah, I'm really excited about this setup, and I'm really excited about my garden this year. I think I'm taking on like a whole, new approach of being as organized as I can, and doing this. I can use these for years. I can replace the light bulbs in here. So yeah, this has me really excited. Alright, so that about wraps up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, please consider subscribing and liking this video for more gardening content. I'm planning on filming a kind of a planning video or garden plan video, going over what I'm going to start and what I'm going to direct sow, everything that I'm going to grow or hopefully grow, and kind of my plan of attack for prepping my beds and timeline. I'm in zone 7B in central North Carolina, so to give you some perspective, I have, I think, 5 raised beds and like a 2-foot strip. There's a concrete slab, and then the yard begins, and I'll show you later. But yeah, I have a good amount of room to plant stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is later on buy a tiller in the next month or so, and rip out what's in here now because it's not really doing well at all, and then mix in some compost and biotone to each bed and wherever I'm planting, just so it can have like the plants can have the best chance possible. But yeah, and I'll make a video about that and document the whole process, because every year is a learning experience for me. So I figured I would share my failures and successes and hopefully help somebody else. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.